Oh, you can tell everybody. Yeah, you can tell everybody. Go ahead and tell everybody. I'm the man, I'm the man, I'm the man. Yes I am, yes I am, yes I am. I'm the man, I'm the man, I'm the man. I believed every lie that I ever told, paid for every heart that I ever stole. I played my cards and I didn't fold. Well, it ain't that hard when you got sold. Somewhere I heard that life is a test. I've been through the worst, but I still give my best. God made my mold different from the rest, but then he broke that mold, so I know I'm blessed.
Stand up now, face the sun, and have my terror turn around. It's time to do what must be done. Be a king when kingdom come.
If I say that I'm the man, then you better believe. If I say I got a plan, then you better at ease. I'm on a full-blown march with a veteran team, and I can get around the block like I invented the key. Now, do what you gotta do. Ain't nobody stopping you unless you got doubt.